In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't connect to camera error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are experiencing such an error on your camera while trying to take images or opening the app, then go to your phone and find the camera app. And there are quite a number of steps we shall take to fix this issue. First, open your camera and then head over to this menu icon. And from this, go to settings. Tap on settings. And then head down and look for this option, restore default settings. Tap on it and then tap on OK. Now go back and look for the camera icon, and this time around you want to access its app info page. To do that, just long press on your camera and you should see app info, or you should see a settings gear. Tap on any of these to access your smartphone camera app info page. Alternatively, if you go to settings, then apps, look for manage apps or all apps. Here search for camera and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Then head to app permission or camera permission. If you don't see it, it should be around here. So tap on app permissions and make sure all these permissions are allowed. If they are not allowed, just tap on all of them and allow. Go to next. Make sure camera and files, more especially, are all set to allow. Now once this is done, you will need to restart your smartphone. So restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your camera and open, now I'll agree and look at that. Now the camera is working. So that's how you can fix these camera error issues on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.